Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me. I'm Amber and this is Amber's Secret. So today we're going to be testing another product, but this time it's a product for our hair. EcoStyler recently came out with 2 new gels on the market, and I'm going to be testing one of them. Unfortunately, I could not get my hands on the gold one. I got my hands on the black castor oil one. So we're going to be testing out the black castor oil gel on my hair today. For this, I'm going to be real basic. I'm only going to be using water in the gel just to test out the true integrity of the product. Can I say that? Do products have integrity? They gonna have integrity today. So let's get started. Got it nice and saturated. So I'm just gonna go and work it through. It says that it nourishes, shines, repairs, and grows. There's no flake, no tack, anti-itch. Although I do want to see how the product works. I don't typically like slather gel through my hair like this. I'm just doing this for y'all, because y'all had said y'all had wanted to see it, so here I am. One thing I'm immediately noticing is like how it is, it is accentuating the texture of my hair. Hello hair. Honestly, I'll probably let you see me do this side and then I'm gonna speed up the rest of the process.
And I ain't even reached my ceiling. So what I gotta do to feed my team? Follow dreams fully awake by an state. When it's summer state, if you don't like the tape, you gotta love it, gotta bump it till it right of your trunk and you shake your ass too.
It does appear to be adding some sort of moisture. I'm not gonna say it's adding as much moisture as a what the heck? I'm not gonna say it's adding as much moisture. What the fuck? I can't talk. As like a leave-in would or something of the like. But it definitely is doing something. I'm so tender-headed, y'all. So any type of detangling is like, oh my god, why would you do this to me?
Shame on your life, shame on your world, dancing in shame, fall like it's rain, remember they wet too, dog, you ain't the only one, remember they wet too, dog, you ain't the only one, remember they wet too, dog, you ain't the only one, remember they wet too, they wet too.
Trying to tame me with they phrasing, couldn't break me with a banging. Life is art, so I made a painting. Watch it manifest, follow my dreams. I done failed at a whole lot of things. Even school can't see no degree. Told me you don't have the pedigree. If I'm a dog, then you niggas is fleas. Yes, I rock the Walmarts with a white tee and the van lookalikes with no shoestrings of the felines before May. No brought them back with a Starberry cap, no snap back. This is for the kids with a closet full of shacks. Mama Star Kings make a good way to cap. Heat up the water on the stove for a bath. Don't let them shame you for keeping it a stack.
Shame, 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 shame.